how you mount the multi-function shelf. First, you insert the bracket into the standard by holding the bracket out, putting it into the slot, and putting it down into the notch. Secondly, you lay the shelf right on the outer edges of the shelf, and the brackets. The shelf lays flat and it's in place. It doesn't have to be locked down. It's also reversible, so you can reverse it to a slope. You do that by rotating the lip and the brackets. You flip them one side to the other. You now have a slope position. You reinstall the shelf with the lip down. And it's secure.